Hi, I thought that it was easier to show in a video how to actually process the data. So that's why I made this video. So basically, the first thing you gotta do is open MATLAB. Okay, now that MATLAB's open, the first thing that you need to do is to have all the files that I sent you in your path. So the first thing is just go to set path, and then you can add folders with subfolders, and then you can navigate to where the function is. Mine is actually on my Dropbox, but I don't know where you put yours. So just go and navigate until you find the first, which is lobnirs. And as soon as you hit open, you have basically all the scripts and you have all the folders basically on your path. I have more than I want to, so that's why I will delete some, but you don't need to do this. What is really important is to actually have all the lobnirs and the lobnirs subfolders in your path. Once you have that, just click Save, and then you can close. What this does is actually make sure that you can call the function no matter where you are on MATLAB. So what I can do now is just type readNIRS, which is the function you need to call. As soon as I hit return, it asks you which instrument you use. In your case, it's the NIRS Scout. Then it just tells you that it's missing a folder to read the data from. So you need to select, and that's important, the folder, not the file. So if I type OK, you can navigate to the folder where the data is. So in your case, it's on Dropbox. I'll just use the folder that you sent, or the file that you sent me. So Misericordia, and it's on Rixon data joint study participant 1. So I see that if I click in participant 1, I have all the data here. One important thing is the header file has to have the same name as all the other files. So as I told you in a previous email, if you want to modify the header file, that's okay. Just keep the new file with the same name and just rename the old file with a .old, for example. Okay. So I'll just go back. I need to click on the folder and not the file. So once I hit choose, it will ask you for a probe configuration for the data set. So now I have to just click OK on the probe configuration. And then I can go at the same projects. It's a functional script, sorry. So I can go to Rixon data, and then let's data joint study participant 1. So you have this probeinfo.mat. Just hit open. If it's okay, it just pops up the success message, which tells you receive the data in a nicer.lob file in the same folder where the data came from. So in order for you to, and if you want to check that, just go on your Finder or Explorer, and I can go and navigate to the same folder I was, which is the joint study participant 1, and I see now that I just created now at 224 a file that is .log. Okay, so basically that's all we need, and once you have done everything for all the subjects, all that we need to share is the .log function. Okay. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, just email me. Okay? Bye-bye.